Felly mae'r rhaglen Lefel Nesaf yn cymryd cwmnïau mwyaf arloesol a rhanbarth a pobl sydd efo syniadau anhygoel. A maen nhw'n cod o dyma i M-SParc. Maen nhw'n gweithio wedyn dros nifer o fisoedd hefo'n arbenigwyr arloesi ni. Maen nhw'n gweithio efo bwrdd o bobl profiadol o fyd busnes, yn cael cyngor un i un, maen cael tyfu i syniadau. Ac yn ychwanegol i'r cymorth a'r cyngor o'n nhw gael, o'na arian ar gael drwy'r Gronfa'r SPF i'r cwmnïau yma wedyn gael datblygu i syniadau, datrysiadau. Felly nid yn unig oedden nhw'n cael y cyngor, ond nhw'n cael arian, grant o ryw fath, ac wedyn wrth gwrs mae'n nifer wedyn mynd ymlaen i godi arian preifat gan rwydwaith anylion M-SParc sydd yn gret i weld.
I was doing a lot of things by myself before being part of the Levelling Up cohort. And so it gave me community almost immediately. The Level Up program actually changes lives because when you are the only person in your business and you invest everything you have and your heart and soul into all the effort you put into it, it can be really demoralizing. It does wonders for you mentally to be able to have some support and strategic discussions around your business and that you're not just carrying that yourself, you're not just spending time contemplating what's the best thing and how you should go about doing it. You have someone that's been there before and can actually align you.
From the outset, I knew it was going to be a good programme to be a part of. I think the one sort of standout week within the programme was when Barbara Want came in to do a talk, because she taught us the art of pitching and getting your message across and getting it across well, really. So that was a big turning point for me in there because I felt like I'd been missing that beforehand. And then in terms of the sort of M-SParc network and what they can achieve, we were introduced to the managing director and head of operations for Hughes Gray, the builders merchants, and obviously with it being a construction business, it's been a massive help to be introduced to them, not only to sort of discuss partnerships and how we can work together going forward, but just to get their insight on the industry as well.
Mae wedi bod yn fuddiol iawn i ni gael clywed gan bobl eraill sydd wedi bod trwy hyn yn barod. Ond ryw sparc bach oedd yn cael ei danio bob yn hyn. Ac yna wbath oedden nhw wedi dweud, neu wbath oedden nhw wedi ddangos ar y sgrin. Ac oedd o yn newid, dwi'n meddwl, y ffordd ni yn meddwl. Unrhyw berson fysa'n edrach i ddechrau cwmni neu busnes ar Ynys Môn, dyn nhw'n gorau edrach yn bell iawn. Mae rhywle fatha M-SParc yn rhoi helpu iddyn nhw, rhoi y cyllid, y cymorth. Does dim rhaid mynd yn bell iawn.
Dwi wedi cael gweld y cwmnïau yma jyst yn dod i fewn efo syniad a ryw sgerbwd o gyflwyniad ac yn gadael yma wedi tyfu busnesau syniadau. Mae wedi bod yn ffantastig.